Blood building formula. Have you heard something about blood building formula? Or, are you familiar with it? If not yet, then here is some of the helpful information that will enlighten your minds about the nature of blood building formula. A blood building formula is actually a type of formula that is mostly applied to maintain a worn-out red blood cell supply. It is interesting to know that a blood building formula is known as hemanitic formula, which is usually composed of important blood building nutrients. Among those nutrients that play a vital role in blood building formula are iron, vitamin C, and B complex vitamins. Such and other ingredients that are included in one convenient blood building product are then developed by some experts to refill and maintain a depleted red blood cell supply. Such type of condition is known as anemia, which can have different causes. From such idea, the blood building formula is definitely recommended by some doctors for the purpose of treating anemia. And in the process, it is commonly noted that a doctor will first diagnose the specific type of anemia and then suggest a blood building formula that could be best for the anemic patient. Traditionally, there are some notable forms of blood building formula that most Chinese people applied in several ailments. One of those is what they call as 8 treasures or Ba Zhen Tang. This blood building formula has been applied for thousands of years for the purpose of treating anemia, fatigue, pale complexion, cold limbs, post-menstrual depletion, amenorrhea, as well as uterine bleeding. Such blood-building formula includes tang kuei, reimania and peony, which are the major blood-building herbs in Chinese medicine, ligusticum, which are traditionally applied to enhance blood circulation and help in the formation of a new blood, atractylodes and poria to strengthen digestion, codonopsis and licorice to tonify the qi, and also ginger and red dates, which is considered to develop the absorption of the other herbs in the blood-building formula. Is this video being helpful? Then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. After the introduction of such blood-building formula, there comes another blood-building formula that is currently used by Chinese medicine known as Qi Pai Tang, which is also often called as Shen Gem or gather vitality. In terms of applying whatever blood-building formula that is recommended by the experts, one should first carefully check the label of the product that he or she wants to take. It is for the reason that there are some blood-building formulas that contain ingredients that you may already have taken in a multivitamin or mineral product. It is as well interesting to know that the usual amount of every ingredient contained in a blood-building formula is quite less. With that, there are some resources for blood-building formula that generally mention the general and possible interactions with a drug or dietary supplement. Those resources too are important for better understanding of the supplement. Finally, when taking individual supplements that contain blood-building formula, one should note that certain cautions are associated to it. Such cautions are much necessary in cases if you have other medical conditions or you are taking medications. Just note that every ingredient contained in the blood-building formula has specific cautions that are associated. A careful user is greatly to get many benefits from it. And in cases of anemia, the proper guidance of the doctor is particularly needed. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.